Yo bro, it is not easy. I understand that. You go on TikTok, pretty much you feel like your life has fast forwarded by 3 hours. Do you ever get that? Do you ever go on TikTok and you scroll on the For You page? Time flies so fast that you realize that so much of your time has just whizzed past. So many men will never ever really do anything about this, and how dangerous TikTok really is. I'm going to give you something that is extremely dark but extremely scary. If you're someone who lives in the UK and the US, I don't use TikTok anymore. I haven't used TikTok in about 2 years. TikTok is owned by a Chinese company, and this isn't a conspiracy theory. This is 100% true. TikTok is run by the Chinese government. Did you know that over in China the algorithm is completely different? The sort of content people are watching on TikTok over in China is completely different to the Western world. Over in China, the videos that they promote to their audience in China, to their own people, is stuff like how to survive, how to dismantle a gun, how to shoot a gun, how to do that, like really educational stuff that actually will, benefit men in life. But then, do you ever wonder why then the algorithm over in the UK and the US is just degenerate, stupid videos making us all brain dead and numb? Think about it. They are rising their own people up, preparing themselves to be capable through pushing out content in China that is very, very heavily focused on actual development. But over in the US and the UK, their rivals, they push out content like drinking fairy liquid challenge, really dumb, stupid crap. 15-year-old, 16-year-old, 17-year-old women shaking their ass, literal actual pornography promoted to young children. This is the sad truth of the world. And if you're on TikTok, man, I have no respect for you. If you're still on TikTok and you're in your 20s, you need to get rid of it. Because honest to God, bro, there's a reason why you can't focus on anything. Do you ever wonder why you go on TikTok and then whenever you try and focus on anything else in life, you struggle so hard? It's because your attention span is you literally have the attention span of a fucking 8-year-old. And you're sitting there 20 years old with the mind of an 8-year-old, eating chicken nuggets, brain numbed up to hell, scrolling on TikTok, drooling, mouth breathing like an absolute loser. And you're 20 years old and you're sitting wondering why every single night you cry yourself to sleep, bawling your eyes out because your life's so miserable. Stop using TikTok. This video is going to get a lot of hate from absolute pussies, but fellas who really want to change their lives will understand what I'm saying. You can't not trust these apps. It doesn't matter what you're using it for. Stop using it, because you're sitting there with a porn addiction because of TikTok. You're sitting there with an extremely low attention span because of TikTok. The reason why you're directionless in life is because, like I said, you use these apps 24/7 a day. The minute you get rid of Instagram, Tinder and TikTok and all these pathetically degenerate apps, and you start replacing that with healthy habits like hitting the gym, gratitude journaling, working on your business, all these things that you replace those things with, your life will change very fast. Don't waste your time looking back. We're not going that way.